In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira roadmap. We'll be setting this up from the Jira dashboard, and the process is very straightforward once you know where each option lives. The goal here is to create a dashboard item that helps you visualize roadmap information clearly. So let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, from your dashboard, click the plus icon. This is where you begin creating a new dashboard item or setup element, depending on your Jira layout. If you don't immediately spot it, take a quick look around the top area of the page, since dashboard controls are usually placed there. Once that opens, enter a name. Choose a name that makes the roadmap easy to recognize later, especially if you work with multiple dashboards or projects. A clear and specific title will help keep your workspace organized. After that, enter a description. This part gives more context to the roadmap and can be helpful if other team members will also be viewing or using the dashboard. You can use the description to explain the roadmap's purpose, what project it relates to, or what kind of timeline it is meant to show. When both fields are filled in, click Save. This creates the dashboard so you can start adding the roadmap view to it. Saving at this stage is important because it gives you a place to configure the gadget in the next part of the setup. Next, in the Add a Gadget area, click into the search bar and type Roadmap. When the Roadmap option appears, click Add. This inserts the Roadmap gadget onto your dashboard. If you see several gadget options, make sure you choose the one that matches the Roadmap view you want to use. Once the gadget has been added, edit it. This is where you customize how the roadmap will display. Depending on your Jira configuration, you may be able to adjust filters, project sources, or other display settings. Take a moment here to review the options carefully so the roadmap shows the most relevant information for your team. After you finish adjusting the gadget settings, click Done. That finalizes the setup and applies your changes. At this point, your roadmap should now be visible on the dashboard and ready to use. And that's how to create a Jira roadmap. As a quick tip, if the roadmap doesn't look right away, go back into the gadget settings and double check the configuration. Small adjustments there can make a big difference in how useful the roadmap is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.